Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install APK files on PC. In installing an APK files for your PC, you need to have an emulator to do so or to make it work. And with that, we're going to use this BlueStacks right here. So just simply search BlueStacks. Or firstly, you could also search APK download in here on your Google and it will show you a variety of application that you could also start installing in here. Then download the files. And just proceed by going to this BlueStacks.com, in which it is an Android emulator that allows users to run Android apps and games on their Windows or Mac OS computers. So from here, all we need to do is simply first download this BlueStacks in our PC. Upon clicking the download button right here, it will automatically be downloaded. In which using this application, it creates a virtual Android environment on the desktop, enabling access to the Google Play Store and the ability to install APK files directly. In which it is designed primarily for gaming, BlueStacks offers a feature such as customizable controls, multi-instance support, and performance enhancement like high FPS and native gamepad compatibility. So again, from here, all you need to do after successfully downloading the APK files that you want to install here on your PC, the next thing that you need to do is simply open the BlueStacks application. And this is basically what it looks like. So now to proceed, it will show us below here a variety of application to install or to simply download. All you need to do is to click the store button on the top left corner. Or from here, you can simply click on your keyboard Ctrl Shift P in order to start importing the APK files from here in our BlueStacks. Or alternatively, on the right side panel, you can simply click this icon right here. By clicking this one, you will automatically be directed on the store of this BlueStack, in which this basically what it looks like. So from here, you can click your store, and in here it will show you the system apps. So upon successfully importing here the files, you should be able to see here the result of the application where you can simply click and start playing on your PC. So basically, this application is popular among users who want a larger screen experience or better performance than what a mobile device may offer. But overall, that is just basically how you can install APK files on PC.